Hey, and we are back once again. Let's get into it and record. Okay, so it's been a little bit of a tough night, and as you can see, I'm recording off of the strip now. It's going a little higher than I want it to be, so I'm just going to dial my mic back a bit, okay, and lower my voice. And we've got to stop it right now. Okay, so you see this? All right, so let's just start off by normalizing this. So you can go and select all, right? You're going to select all. You're going to add the effect, go to normalize. Parameters should be set up, keep it at -1 dB, and click OK. All right, and you're going to see a slight condense. Depending on what mic you use, it may condense a little further down, and the way you talk as well, it may condense down further as well. All right, so I'm going to click off that. We're going to select all one more time, and now we're going to get into the effects. So click Effect, and I want to show you the reverse function first. So we're going to reverse this, and then I'm going to click So pretty cool, right? So I'm going to undo that. Click off that. All right, and add another effect. And I'm going to select all, make sure I get this effect. We are going to fade in. So let's do this. Okay, so it's been a little bit of a tough night, and as you can see, I'm recording off of the strip now. It's going a little higher than I want it to be, so I'm just going to dial my mic back a bit, okay, and lower my voice. And we've got to stop it right now. Okay, so you got that. Let's see this right now. All right, let's see. I'm gonna click undo again, click off. Okay, and you can add the effects to a specific segment. So I have this right here. We're gonna add the echo effect right there. And okay, so just keep it the way it is, and we're gonna go there. You can also play around with that function. Let me just get that up one more time. You can play around with this as well, depending on what you want to do. So if you want to, just have it, the decay factor a little longer or the delay time a little longer, that's yours to choose. Okay, let's play this back right about now. My mic back a bit, okay, and lower my voice. Okay, so, and then you heard a little bit of an effect right there. So just keep it nice and simple, and just make sure that it's what you want when you add the echo. Okay, so I'm going to select all one more time. You can analyze, contrast plot. All right, we're going to go back to. All right, so you can actually repair your audio a bit. So let me go in there, and we're going to go to. Okay, you can't do repair. Let me get down there really quickly there. Okay, so right about here is where I want the repair. We can do that. We are doing phaser. Gotta do reverse. Okay. Keep going until there is nothing left. Right. Still nothing. Okay, so yeah, I can't do the repair now, so apologies there. So let me just, let's just re-record, and we're going to just try this out right now, and you're not going to see this right now because I am zoomed in too closely. All right, let me just exit this out, and okay, and then you have something like that. Okay, so let's try this again. Just try this out right now, and you're not going to see this. Okay, and now you see it. Okay, so you got your magnifying glasses right there, plus, minus, and you have your effects. So play around with that. I want to show you the compressor before I go here. So all, effect, compressor. Okay, and you can play around with this. I think the threshold, just lower that to, yeah, go up to about 23 there. Keep this, hold that, ratio to 1, attack time 0.2, and release. So the threshold is the one that you really should be focusing the most on. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to click OK. All right, and you're going to see a little effect there, and let's play that back. Just try this out right now, and you're not going to see this right now because I am zoomed in too closely. Okay, so you caught that. All right. One more thing. Let's see. So when you do export this, be sure to export it as an MP3 file or WAV, depending on what you want to do with it. But I would say, for the most part, always export it as an MP3 file. That is your best bet. So thank you for tuning in. I'll have a video out next week. So until then, stay safe, stay great, and I'll talk to you then.